Thanks for coming back and checking out another stock lock. Got a Euro cylinder in the vice. We're going to see if we can get this one open. I might start with my pick from John. So just get that in there. So I'm going to try this one to start with.
I want one of these too. Yeah, I can ask them to send you one. They 3D printed it for me. Do you ever think about, when you're working with Sentinel Foundation in another country and you're going at your hunt? Yeah. I mean, I'm just curious, do you ever run the jammer so that nobody can tap into your phones, nobody can listen in, nobody can do any of that while you're having like a face-to-face conversation? Let's say you guys are doing your brief. So we use Faraday bags. So I haven't had, I've never had to do that with a jammer. But we do throw stuff in Faraday bags, and you see me on the notes that I put my laptop in a Faraday bag. I have, that's actually something I'll bring up. I know, I'll save the rest of it for the end, but we donated, in collaboration with this company, we donated 130 something recently to law enforcement in Peru. And the reason why these bags are important for phones, if no one knows, if a Faraday bag, if you're unfamiliar for the people that are watching, it just blocks signal from going in and out. So let's say there's a predator or a trafficker and they get arrested and the phone gets seized, right? You put their phone just like this in the bag, and then now it is locked. His phone has zero signal right now. It's not getting in or out of the bag. So let's say you're law enforcement and you are trying to make sure that evidence stays intact. You now have the ability with Apple, with iCloud, with Android, you can wipe that phone remotely. So before they even get back to the station, somebody could wipe that phone and all your evidence is gone. But if you keep that phone in a Faraday bag, then your evidence stays preserved. One thing Sentinel did recently was make sure that law enforcement was equipped with these bags because they're cheap. And certain companies are more expensive. This one's a little more than others. They're just a nice brand. But there's other brands that are like $10 a bag, $20 a bag, and that could be the difference between a guy doing no time in prison or the rest of his life. Yeah. So yeah, I think they're very important. Yeah, let's take a break. My days don't slow down. Between work, the gym, and time with the kids, I need eyewear that can keep up with everything I've got going on. And that's why I trust Roka. I've tried plenty of shades before, but these stand out. They're built for performance without sacrificing style. I've put them through it all. On the range, out on the water, and off-road. They don't quit. They're lightweight, stay locked in place, and are tough enough to handle whatever I throw at them. And the best part, they don't just perform, they look incredible. Sleek, modern, and designed for people who expect more from their own.
There we go.
No fluff, no
That didn't take long, did it? 3 minutes. So Josh, about 3.5 minutes and I'll be in the front door and killing you in your sleep, mate. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you later.